In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Zoho campaign subscription. Whether you're switching platforms or simply taking a break from email campaigns, canceling your Zoho subscription is a straightforward process. Let's make sure you're navigating through this smoothly and efficiently. First things first, you'll want to begin by logging into your Zoho campaigns account. Visit the Zoho website and enter your login credentials. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Zoho Campaigns homepage. This is where you'll typically start when managing your email marketing efforts. Now, let's talk about what you need to do next. Direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This is the gateway to adjusting a multitude of settings that will help customize your Zoho experience, including managing your subscription. It's always helpful to know where the settings menu resides, as it's often needed for various account modifications beyond just subscription details. Once inside the settings area, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find a variety of options categorized for easy navigation. You're aiming for the section labeled General. This is where all general account settings reside, including the subscription menu. Click on this section to proceed. This will take you to a page specifically dedicated to managing your subscription and billing information. It's always advisable to periodically review this section, as it includes crucial details about your plan and payment. In the subscription section, you'll have a clear overview of your current plan. This will include details such as your plan type, renewal date, and billing information. If you're certain about canceling, this area is where you'll execute that cancellation. Generally, software solutions like Zoho make it quite intuitive to manage your subscription, so you shouldn't encounter too many hurdles here. At this point, you're ready to initiate the cancellation process. Look for a button or link that specifies canceling your subscription. Once found, click on it and follow any subsequent prompts. These prompts ensure that you fully understand the implications of canceling, including any potential loss of data or features. Take your time here to read through any warnings or confirmations. Finally, after you've confirmed your cancellation, it's good to check and ensure you've received any email confirmations from Zoho regarding your subscription status. This email serves as your official record. It's worth keeping for your own peace of mind. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of canceling your Zoho campaign subscription. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.